CEI stock, Camber Energy Inc. stock is in a strong bullish trend right now. So in this session and in the previous session, it crossed above its 200-day moving average. Okay, in this session, it crossed above its 200-day moving average. In the previous session, it crossed above its 50-day moving average. All of these are strong, or rather, bullish signals. So the volume you can see is 428 million, by far the biggest volume so far of any stock in this session of the 7th of March 2022. The news, amongst other things, is, or rather the concerns, is that the oil import ban coming soon from the European allies against Russian crude oil, and the delay in the supply of, or rather the delay in the return of Iranian crude to the global market. All of these compounded are stoking fears that oil supply may not be sufficient. So that's why we are seeing these stocks rally so much. So there's the angle of attack for CEI at some point was quite decent, but right now it's getting steep. Right now it's an extending bullishly. Hasn't fallen below its 50-day moving average, 50-minute moving average for some time now. Let's see, for some time, about for the last 1 hour, close to 1 hour now, it hasn't fallen below that 50-minute moving average, extending nicely. Buyers are definitely in charge of this market at the moment, the market for CEI stock. So let's see whether we can quickly determine a target for the stock. Let's use 1.43 and 1.4. So we have a difference of 0.03. Let's see, 0.03, 0.03. It doesn't look like a lot, but let's see, 2.618. We have a price of 0.07. We added to the current price of 1.45. We have a target of 1.52. Can it get there? Yes, it looks like it can. Looks like it can. It hasn't reached there in quite some time. 1.52. Let's see. Last time it was at 1.52. It has to be some time ago. 1.52. That will be all the way back in October. That's when it was at such a price, at such a level. We have a position in CEI, so it's important that you know that. So it's currently at 1.46. Will it get to 1.52? That's our target. Approximately 1.53. So let's go back and see what's been going on. So this is the chart for the stock since the last 3 trading sessions. Okay, let's go all the way back to the last 5 days. Just in case, you never know, you may have reached 1.53, but I really doubt it. Okay. No, it hasn't. It has never reached there. But just bear in mind that the interval is 5 minutes, so it doesn't. You may not. Some prices may fall through because of that interval. So let's also go back to and see what's going on. What has happened over the last 1 month? Let's see. Okay, this is the chart for the last 1 month. Strongly bullish. Okay, let's return to the 1 year. That's also what we have seen before now. So yeah, it's cooling off now, getting support from its 10-minute moving average. Momentum is waning. RSI is also equally waning as well. But buyers are still very much in control, even though its momentum and the RSI are both waning. Volume, a huge one, obviously also optionable as well. Let's look at some of the figures we are looking at here. Some of the strikes we're looking at here. The 150 is gradually coming into the money. It has a good spread as well. The ask is 0.36 and the bid is 0.35. Makes a lot of sense. So I think, amongst other things, this is why it has it's seen a huge amount of volume, because buyers because there are a lot of there's also activity going on in the option on the option side. So it's also, amongst other things, causing market makers to hedge their positions. So a lot of shares are crossing the tape. So it's a mix of things, very much complicated. Yes, it's a quagmire here on CEI. So this is the March 18 calls. So you can see volume here 37,000. Okay, let's see whether we can top movers. Let's see what's we can screen out and see what's going on here. Okay, 500% gain. The 11th of March calls, 150 call has gained 500%, 466%. The 11th of March as well, $1 strike gained 390%. 700%, the $4 call of the 18th of March has gained 700%. So yes, some activity going on there. Yes, we got the right thing, change from close. So these are increases in the prices of the stock, of the options. So lucky for those who got it on time. So yes, amongst other things, because it's optionable as well, that's why we're seeing all of those things going on there. So it has fallen below its 10 and 20 minute moving average, but still slightly above its 50-minute moving average. On this 1 minute chart, the underlying trend is easily bullish, as you can equally see. Momentum is totally falling off now, has fallen off completely. Buyers, sellers are getting involved. I think they are slightly having an upper hand. They have just taken some control there. So it has cooled off now at 1.3691. Our target is 1.52. Can it get there? Is there any chance? Is there any possibility of that happening? CEI stock strongly bullish. The concerns arising from the import ban against the Russian oil and the delay, or as it concerns the potential, as the delays in the return of Iranian crude to the global market, is probably what's probably behind this rally we are looking at right now. So can it that element, those two elements can also lead to huge pullbacks in the coming session. So our target is 1.52. That's our target. So momentum is also totally sold out now. It means also that there's also potential for it to bounce back again. That is also what we're slightly seeing right now. So CAMBER energy stock on the move has gained 69%. So this is the first time it has fallen below its 50-minute moving average since the last 1 hour. Okay, so see what you make of CAMBER energy stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.